If we were to distribute that to a bucket company, we would limit our tax on the remaining 200 grand at 26%. The last one here is a bucket company. Now, if we've got a trust earning, let's say 500K in profit, we've got husband and wife, we've got a retired parent up here. Let's just stop at that for ease. We've given 120K here, 120 there. Let's say for whatever reason, we've only given 60 to the grandparent or the parent. If we add all those up to 300K, so we've distributed 300 grand so far, but we've still got $200,000 remaining to distribute. So where we get a bucket company is to soak up the remaining profit, which is now 200 grand, because if we distribute that to one of the husband or wife, we're going to pay 39% or more in tax on that. But if we were to distribute that to a bucket company, so a triangle, we would limit our tax on the remaining 200 grand at 26%. So we're saving 13% or more on every dollar that goes into that bucket company. So we usually use bucket companies for business owners or families that are earning sort of sub 250 grand or more in tax, to soak up the balance of that taxable income. So it's a nice way to any of that sort of excess money that you don't need to live on. And what I mean by that is your 120 grand each hopefully puts food on the table, pays the mortgage, and then that extra, the 60 grand here, whatever the grandparent or parent does with it, who knows? It's this extra 200 grand. If you pay it to a bucket company, yes, you pay less tax, but the cash actually has to go to the bucket company. Because if we don't do that, it's treated as a Division 7A loan back here. So if we say, we're going to distribute money to a company, it actually has to move. The cash has to move into that bank account. Otherwise, we loan it from the company. So it's a pretty short-term strategy if we're not paying the cash over. So what we like to do is pay the family group enough to live on, with the excess going into that bucket company. And then the bucket company can invest it, do what it wants from there. So it can buy shares and manage funds, or lend it to other entities to buy property. There's all sorts of things we can do with money in the bucket company.